Hello YouTube, why you should include kefir in your diet. It is a simple product and available in most regions. Why you should add it to your diet, said a nutritionist. Kefir is a unique fermented drink made from cow, goat or sheep milk. As early as 1908, an immunologist noted that fermented foods such as fermented milk, kefir, and pickled vegetables affected health and longevity, and suggested that the lactic acid bacteria contained in them inhibited the growth of harmful microorganisms in the intestines. Some bacteria create lactic acid, others create aromatic substances. And the yeast eats part of the milk sugar and converts it into ethyl alcohol and forms carbon dioxide, which gives kefir a characteristic refreshing signature taste. Kefir, unlike other dairy products, contains very little lactose, since most of it, thanks to the kefir fungus, is converted into lactic and pyruvic acid. Kefir also contains kefirin, a kefir yeast polysaccharide that has antimicrobial properties. Why should you include kefir in your diet during martial law and in the normal rhythm of life? Helps to restore the balance of intestinal microflora, especially after a course of antibiotic treatment. Contains probiotics that inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria in the intestines. Contains vitamins A, B2, B12, C, pp. Due to the positive effect on the intestinal microflora, it affects the immune functions of the body. Rich in easily digestible calcium and protein. Suitable for people with relative lactose intolerance. In more severe cases, lactose-free dairy products are recommended. Important. Fresh kefir has a slight laxative effect, 3-day, strengthens. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.